Welcome to this brief introduction to the Comprehensive Audit Trail, a Xybion add-on solution for IBM Maximo. Before we begin the brief demonstration, let's talk about what is CAT. This is a Xybion developed add-on solution for IBM Maximo. It facilitates regulatory compliance with 21 CFR Part 11. It displays all audit data natively inside of Maximo. Briefly, who is Xybion? We are an IBM Premier Business Partner and a developer of add-on software products for Maximo. We specialize in industries that are heavily regulated, such as life science and the healthcare sectors. We provide complete implementation, training, support, upgrades, and are recognized by Gartner Group for the quality solutions and services that we provide. Who uses CAT? Any company with IBM Maximo installed can benefit from the add-on. However, Maximo users in highly regulated industries such as life sciences, financial services, and healthcare can benefit greatly from the add-on solution. The business benefits that CAT users realize are that number one, it facilitates 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. It reduces risk, improves your overall compliance processes, and helps you normalize compliance processes across the entire enterprise. Let's have a look at CAT inside of Maximo. As we log into Maximo, there's a couple of key points to note. Firstly, the CAT add-on solution can be added to virtually any module inside of IBM Maximo. Today we're going to look briefly at how CAT installs and works inside of the work order tracking module inside of Maximo. Firstly, let's navigate to the work orders themselves. We have a work order open, number 1005, Electronic Cart Tune-Up Test. The first issue we'll point out is that Comprehensive Audit Trail installs as an additional tab across the top navigation inside of Maximo. For this existing work order, I'm going to go ahead and select Comprehensive Audit Trail and show the screen. A couple of key highlights to note. Firstly, for any of the changes that are made to a particular record, the Comprehensive Audit Trail is going to track the attribute changes automatically in the background. It will first list all of the attributes that have been changed, it will list the old value, and it will list the value that has been changed. Let's go back to the main work order, and we will make a brief change to a record. A common change that will be made is in scheduling information. We're going to change the target finish date from 1/29/13 to 1/30. Now that we've changed it from January 29th to the 30th, I'm going to go ahead and save this work order. We'll navigate back up to the top and navigate over to the Comprehensive Audit Trail tab. Again, Maximo is running in the background and it is tracking all of the changes inside of the application. You'll see that we have a change here dated January 18th, 2013 at 3:59 p.m. This change is the change that I just made. We can see the attributes that are being tracked in this particular trail. The target finish date with the old value of January 29th at 9 a.m. has now been changed to January 30th at 9 a.m. In addition to tracking changes across the attributes within inside of the work order, one of the other things that Maximo will do is integrate with the eSig capabilities. If we go back into the work order and we make a change to an eSig required field, such as status, we'll go up here to the top navigation and do a change status order. We're going to change the status to a new value. We're going to mark it as closed and select OK. The electronic signature authentication comes up. I have to, of course, enter a password. It will tell me a reason for the change field is required. I will put in my reason change and select OK. The status change is now being logged by the eSig inside of Maximo. If we now go over to the Comprehensive Audit Trail screen again, we're going to see that this change has been made. We will see the status has been changed from completed to closed. It includes the timestamp, and it also includes the work order number. The eSig timestamp, the eSig user, the eSig full name, application, and reason codes are all surfaced in a very easy to read manner by the Comprehensive Audit Trail. This makes it incredibly easy for outside auditors who are coming in to monitor the system to quickly pull up reports inside of IBM Maximo. The impact to the end user is null. As end users are making changes and following the required procedures inside of Maximo, CAT is running in the background, doing its job, and making it much easier for your application to be audited, which again benefits companies who are operating in heavily regulated environments. This concludes this brief introduction to the Comprehensive Audit Trail from Xybion Corporation. We thank you for your time and hope you'll take a little moment to review us online and learn more about the great services and products that we provide to IBM Maximo.